Hello. So I have one of my vintage little film cameras. Came out, like I said, 1977. So this is actually one of my oldest cameras for good point and shoot. So I have my film, so let's get it developed. Black and white, my favorite. Let's see. Again, using a palm tree to hold my phone. You gotta use what you got. There's the film, there's the camera. I'm kind of doing this backwards, so let's see. See, I'm already doing it backwards. Sometimes it doesn't want to work. You gotta give it a little attitude, but now it's in. So now you just roll it and see the little right here. Hold this, because like I said, it's older, so you have to work a little harder. Move it over. Make sure it gets into one of these little things, nice and flat. So we're gonna test it first. Well, actually, we have to close it first. And I think it just does not want to work with me today. Not today. There we go. Good. All right, it's in now. So you see, it looks like a little, there it is. Looks like kind of like an S. Keep on moving it and click it. Well, I think we're having some issues today. Major issues. Sometimes it just does not want to work. It's trying. You can see it. You can see how it kind of already went some, but it's just being stubborn today. Okay, let's try again. There we go. Now we're working. See it? Can you see it moving? Now we're at a 1. That means let's take some pictures. All right, we're good. We're ready to go take some pictures. Oh, here comes a field trip. Gotta go.